Okay.
Done yet?
No, so I decided not to change these tie rod ends because the drag link and tie rod, they're I don't know, they're rusted on, and I had to clamp something up here. It wasn't working, it wasn't moving, so I was like, I'll just get a new one of these, a new one of those for the back. So bled the brakes. Heat, yeah, I put a bunch of heat on it too, and nothing happened. I guess I'm just not strong enough. It is what it is. So onto the rear. All right, back again with a light. So, yep, took all the bolts out, or loosened them. I didn't take them out, clearly. The axle's still on. I haven't done this one yet, but that's what I'm doing right now. After considering the fact that the jacking point switch is dangerously on the edge of that one, but it is what it is, it's holding. Since they're on where the suspension links go to the frame, I have to lower it onto these jacks. I'm gonna lower the frame onto it so I can move these arms from the lift and get the lower links off. I'm not sure if I should take all of them off at once or just one at a time. My thing's the one at a time. I'm not sure how the pan hard bar is gonna like move the axle when one of these links are removed, but I guess I'll see once I start. Okay, back again with wood blocks this time, as you can see. I'll put my light on. Yeah, boom, wood blocks. This should clear now. Let's see. Oh. Okay, as you can see, it's out of the way. And all the arms are loose, so I'm gonna try and probably take that one over there first, since there's more light over there. Okay, well, I got one out, but unfortunately, I first noticed this. Where am I? My finger there? My hand? Where are you? There you are. Alright. The sway bar was first in the way of this bolt, but I took everything out, but it's still, I really need light, but it's still hits the shock. I'm not sure if these are just bigger than OEM shocks or what, but yeah, that kind of sucks. So I'm gonna have to jack this rear axle up on this side, disconnect the shock, and then try and get it out. So one more thing kind of sucks is I'm already using both the jack stands, or sorry, hydraulic jacks, to hold the truck up. So I gotta figure something out. And I don't have stands tall enough, so that's why I'm using these. It is what it is. I don't think it'll fall on me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I had to pop the shock off, and now I got it out. It goes right there. Alright, got them out, scuffed up the inside. I just like used some scuffing pad on the inside and around the bushings. The bushing has a little rust on them because the ceiling was leaking and I guess dropped onto the packages and whatever. If you saw in that little video, this thing like popped up multiple times. At first I was like, oh, maybe it's just air, but like no, the bushings are just really stuck. But time to press the other ones in. They go 90. They like they're perpendicular to each other, I believe. So we'll see. Got it done. As you can see, it's facing two different directions. I gotta figure out which way that is. See the little one laying on the floor, that one's done too. So after I get the lower ones, I think I'm just gonna jack it up in the air and see how that is. Because I really don't like crawling in the cars. It's really annoying. Alright, back again. Got both the lower control arms or trailing arms, whatever the hell they're called. Changed the bushings for both. I realized that this nut or the bolt is hard to get out because it hits the shock. Took the shock out, flipped the other way, then realized they probably put it that way because it's easy to torque and you have to torque the nut, not the bolt. So having a torque wrench fit there would probably be difficult. But yeah, did both of those. Now I'm doing the upper. The only issue is I think this is like some brake level bias thing. I don't know, but it's blocking the nut again from coming out. I probably can't turn it the other way because again, the torque wrench wouldn't work. So gotta remove this, take these out and swap them, then do the what is it called? Pan hard bar? There it goes. Yeah, so this is the arm, finally got them out. They were a pain in the ass, to be honest. And now I'm gonna have to put the other ones in, clean these up. Not really much, but it is what it is. Yeah, so truck's here. I did everything on the suspension with the bushings, painted everything. So I got to do the little tips, but it is what it is for the radius arms. I'll do that later on. But I had an issue getting the tie rod ends or whatever it is out of this drag link, as well as the tie rod in the back. So instead of dealing with that and I use a bunch of heat and it wouldn't turn, I just I think these are made by Slee and they have a jam nut. So I'm gonna put these on and go to the tire shop, get the front tires installed and alignment. But these are, I think, 555. They're made in Japan for the tie rod ends. So yeah, almost done. So tie rods and ends are on. I guess these were OEM. I don't know. There's no like branding on them or anything. But these ones, the new ones, the 555 ones, are this little circle, whatever. I don't know, a little fatter. It seems like they have a bigger ball joint. Yeah. But I'll probably gotta redo all that stuff, but whatever, we'll figure it out. But yeah, that's the difference, and this is a lot lighter than this. This is thick and heavy, and it's significantly thicker. But yeah, I don't think this truck's gonna be doing any heavy off-roading or anything. Planning on shipping it overseas to Jamaica land. So I just want to do all this maintenance stuff on it. That's pretty clean though, not gonna lie. I gotta do the bumper, probably gonna do it in like bed liner and sand off the frame, whatever surface rust there is, and POR 15 those. But yeah, throw this on and do the rear one. Both of them out. And the reason why these things look so good is because I actually put POR 15 on them beforehand. They were actually really crusty, so that's definitely why. Well, why? Whatever. What the hell that is. There's the other one. Dude, that's heavier. Like the way it is. Without tie rods and not with tie rods. Tie rod ends, I mean. Alright. That side. This side. Reverse has these marks on it, that and that. We'll stick them together. I wish I had a tripod here with me. I messed up. All right, I hope you guys like that little take of fixing the front end of my truck. Do remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be posting more videos on this thing as well as like everything else. But yeah, this thing pretty soon. I need to really, I guess, clean up the engine bay like I said earlier and do the interior. And I was planning on turbocharging it and getting rid of it. Well, not really, but you'll see in the future what I mean by that. But yeah, thanks. And you guys have a good day.